Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, today we are outside of Pine Cove Dental. I am your marketing manager here and dental assistant. My name is Terry. Today's focus is going to be front desk and behind the scenes and kind of a little bit about what they got going on. So let's go inside.
Hi, my name is Katie. I work here at Pine Cove Dental as a treatment coordinator and a patient concierge. I started here as an extern for a dental assistant, and then I kind of switched to the front. My main focus here is making sure that all patients feel welcome, and I take care of scheduling appointments. I assist in treatment planning and making sure that all of our patients understand their treatment and why they need it. Here at Pine Cove Dental, patient care is like our top priority. We offer like pillows and blankets while you're back there, or we can get you headphones. We make sure to let the back team know about any questions or anything you may have before you go back. And we also do a patient handoff where we kind of are introducing you to our team as well, whether that's one of Dr. Doe's assistants or Dr. Doe's hygienist. And I will present the treatment plan to you and make sure you don't have any questions, and make sure that you understand the process of how everything will be completed, and then we also will go over pricing.
Hey everybody, so that was Katie. Again, she's our treatment coordinator and patient concierge, so she's going to be the first face you see. And then for next video, we're going to be kind of kicking it over to Krista, who is right back here with me. And we're going to kind of meet her and kind of go over some of the things she does. So stay tuned next time, and thanks for watching.